Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Forte emblem. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a heat gun, some strong fishing line, and a set of plastic trim removal tools. Next, thoroughly clean the emblem and the surrounding paint with rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt or wax. Finally, apply painter's tape around the emblem's edges to protect your car's finish from accidental scratches during the removal process. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free experience. Now let's get to the removal. Use your heat gun on a low setting, gently warming the emblem for about 1 to 2 minutes. This softens the adhesive, making it much easier to work with. Once warm, take your fishing line and carefully slide it behind the emblem, using a sawing motion to cut through the remaining adhesive. Finally, use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the emblem away from the car, being careful not to scratch the paint. With the emblem off, you'll likely have some adhesive residue left behind. Apply an automotive adhesive remover to a clean microfiber cloth and gently rub the area until all the sticky bits are gone. Follow up by wiping the surface clean with rubbing alcohol to remove any remover residue. Take a moment to inspect the paint for any ghosting or marks, and if needed, use a mild polish to restore the finish. To complete the process, apply a high-quality paint sealant or wax to the area where the emblem once sat. This protects the paint and helps it blend seamlessly with the rest of your car's finish. You can now choose to leave your Kia Forte debadged for a sleek, clean look, or apply a new emblem if you prefer. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.